Hello everyone, I'm Ariel Mutapia here as a presentation moderator from Group 6, which consists of me, Sabina Regina Putri Sinaga, Dakeldian, Diki Prastia, Wayan Ayu Putri, Dewi Latifa, Adina Putri, and at last but not least Lutfia Agustin Hidayah want to present what we have researched for about internet service provider. The first one, the definition of the internet service provider, will read it by Sabina Regina Putri Sinaga.
ISP or Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider is the company that provides internet connection services and other related services. This ISP has a network both domestically and internationally, so that customer or user of the connection provided by the ISP can connect to the global internet network. The network here is in the form of a transmission medium that can stream data, which can be in the form of cable, modem, cable rental, and broadband, radio, or VSAT. To get internet access, the computer must use the services of an Internet Service Provider or ISP. With this service, we can get an internet line or online after connecting our computer with the server computer. The contents of this ISP are the people and equipment needed to provide internet connection services to its customer. The equipment is usually in the form of servers, routers, and so on. These ISPs usually apply a monthly fee to their customer.
These relationships are usually divided into two categories, namely, dial-up. Dial-up connections are now widely offered free of charge or at a low cost and require the use of a regular telephone cable. Broadband, this connection can be non-cable, satellite internet. Broadband compared to modem has a much faster speed and is always on, but is more expensive. The service from the ISP can usually be categorized into two parts, namely, dial-up the main internet. Example of service are Telkomnet Instant from Telkom, dial-up service and other ISP, as well as some service from local wireless ISP. Dedicated internet. Example of service are service from Channel 11, get access, speedy from Telkom, and service from local wireless ISP.
Function of ICP or Internet Service Provider. Referring to the definition of an ICP, basically the function of an ICP is a company providing internet connection service for the general public. If there is not ICP product, maybe we will not be able to enjoy internet network edges as we usually enjoy. For more details, the following are the rules and function of the ICP. 1. As an internet connection service provider company. 2. Connection internet user to the nearest internet gateway. 3. As a provider of modern device for dial-up internet connection. 4. As a media for connection internet service with information service on the World Wide Web. 4. Please port for homepage. 6. As a medium that helps service users to download and upload data for the internet.
How ISPs work in short. After the user of the ISP services requests internet access to the ISP will route its network to devices owned by the user, such as access points, modems, and mobile phones. Furthermore, their users can use and also enjoy internet access for the devices they have, and can even choose which type of network they want and also according to their needs. The way ISPs work is to connect networks with one another. The trick is to connect a computer user to a network using by a modem or a router. The modem will send a request to the ISPs for later inspection by the ISP regarding to the user static IP address. After that, the ISP will redirect to the available cache page. Usually, this ISP has a very large cache, so it can transfer data from one computer to another at a high level speed. A lag in ISP services can bring huge losses. An example is to consumer, and if the system is not handled immediately, it will make the network more congested and even down. Of course, this is not desired by internet service provider.
Type of service ISP, Internet Service Provider. After understanding the meaning of an ISP and its function, of course, we also need to know what types of ISP service are. Below are some types of service from Internet Service Provider in Indonesia. The first, dial-up connection. This type of ISP is most commonly used in Internet cafe business of Internet cafes, where users are not charged continually but according to their usage time when connected to the Internet network. This dial-up connection access a modem and telephone cable to connect to the Internet. Generally, dial-up access is used for 1. Personal dial-up, 2. Corporate dial-up, 3. ISDN dial-up LAN, 4. NIC server access.
2. Dedicated connection. This type of ISP service has a permanent nature where a user will be connected to the internet network for 20 hours in 7 days. Usually, this type of ISP is commonly used in companies that have a large number of employees and computers. 3. Internet hotspot. The type of internet service that does not use cables like dial-up. Usually, this is used in cafes, airport, or other public places. It is suitable for use when you are in business in the colonial field. 4. Wireless internet. This wireless internet is an internet service without wires and without telephone codes. This fee is for internet use only. 5. Internet mobile access. This is an ISP service for user of mobile smartphone device so that user can access the internet through their device. This type of ISP is most widely used for internet access on smartphones that support GSM or CDMA.
Example of ISP in Indonesia. In Indonesia, ISP are often referred to as PG, Internet Service Provider, which originates from Telephone Service Provider. The following will explain some examples of ISP in Indonesia. Number 1. IndiHome, Telkom PD. IndiHome, Indonesia Digital Home, is one of the products of the PT Telkom Indonesia, with over triple play service consisting of home internet, fixed broadband internet, home phone, fixed phone, and interactive TV, use TV. Currently, ISP, formerly Telkom SPD, are already using fiber optic technology, which makes the service offered have an advantage over using coaxial cable technology. Number 2. First Media or Fastnet. First Media was first established in 1994 under the name Broadband Multimedia. First Media offered triple play service which include high-speed and unlimited internet service, Fastnet, digital cable TV, home cable, and high-speed and large capacity data communication, Datacom. Currently, First Media operates service using hybrid fiber coaxial (HFC) cable network technology with a frequency of 870 MHz.
3. BizNet. BizNet networking, a telecommunication and multimedia service provider that provides network service, internet service, data center, and hosting and cloud communication service. In 2000, BizNet network was established only focus on the short-term work market. BizNet all operator is service using the most advanced fiber optic network and has the large data center in Indonesia. 4. Centrin. Centrin, a internet service provider (ISP) owned by PT Centrin Online, which was founded on October 28, 1987 under the name Centrin Utama. Centrin for service for internet connection using a sophisticated infrastructure on of which is providing connection service up to 106 Mbps to the international backbone.